Hi, my name is Cindy Briggs, and I want to invite you to join my online watercolor painting program called Watercolors-by-the-Sea. I will be teaching you how to paint boats and seashells and palm trees, beach umbrellas, villages by the sea, people on the beach, all kinds of sunny, colorful images from photographs that I've taken or even right on location in the Caribbean and the Cinque Terre area of Italy and Portugal too. I also have live webinars that you can join in on and watch me do a demonstration, and we have question and answer sessions in there, and I record it and I post it in our private group website. We have a private Facebook group where you can share your work and see what others in the group are doing. I'm really excited about this program and working on it for quite a while. It's really coming together. This is one of the step-by-step paintings behind me. In the program, I share the tools that I use, give you a complete supply list so you can get the right materials to make it work for you better. It's a journey that we're going to share. So visit my website at cindybriggs.com and learn how to draw with flowing lines, paint with captivating flowing watercolors, improve your compositional skills, and just have a pleasant, wonderful, positive experience. So thanks again for joining me, and visit, like I said, cindybriggs.com to see what the program includes. Like most people tell you in the quick sketch program that I have going, there are many bonuses because I just want to keep giving to my group of students. So thank you and have a great day. I hope to be painting with you soon.